In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an invoice in Go High Level. We'll walk through the process from inside your Go High Level account so you can have invoices go out automatically on a recurring basis without needing to send them manually every time. First, once you're logged into your Go High Level location, look for the Payments section in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on Payments. This is where Go High Level keeps everything related to your transactions, products, invoices, and subscriptions, so you'll be working from here whenever you manage billing. Next, inside the Payments area, find and click on Invoices and Estimates. This tab is dedicated specifically to the documents you send to clients, whether they're one-time invoices or quotes. By going into this section, you're narrowing the view so you're only dealing with invoicing related items, which keeps things a lot more organized. Once you're on the Invoices and Estimates page, look for the option called Recurring Invoices and click on it. This is the key area for what we want to do. A recurring invoice is perfect for ongoing services, memberships, retainers, or anything you bill for on a regular schedule. Instead of recreating the same invoice every month, you'll set it up once and let the system handle it for you. Now that you're in the recurring invoices section, look toward the top right of the page and click on the New button. This tells Go High Level that you want to create a new recurring invoice template. Think of this as the starting point where you define all of the details one time and the platform will reuse them for each billing cycle. After clicking New, choose the option for New Recurring Invoice. Make sure you select the recurring option and not a standard one-time invoice, because that's what actually enables the scheduling and automation features we're aiming for in this video. From here, you'll be taken to a form where you can fill in all the details of your recurring invoice. Add your client or contact, the products or services you're billing for, prices, taxes if applicable, and any notes or terms you want the client to see. Then set the schedule. Choose how often the invoice should be generated, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Pick the start date and, if needed, an end date or number of billing cycles. Double check everything for accuracy, especially the amount and the frequency. Once you're happy with the setup, click on Schedule. This saves your recurring invoice and activates the schedule, so Go High Level will automatically create and send invoices based on the timing you defined.